डिसीजन आया उसके हवाले से आपने बात करनी है कि उसको आप कैसे देखती हैं और क्या आने वाले दिनों में खान साहब को आउट ऑफ केस देखती हैं? ये जो केस मैम इंग्लिश में कर रहा हूँ, थोड़ा सा माइक नीचे करना
क्या क्या इंग्लिश में? अच्छा, आप पूछे सवाल कर रहे हैं।
जी, आज जो फैसला है उसको आप कैसे देखती है? एक तो ये बता दें कि क्या फैसला है और कैसे देखती है, और खान साहब के रिहाई के कितने पूरी उम्मीद है?
Actually, the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Imran Khan, and the ex-Foreign Minister, Mr. Shah Mahmood Qureshi, were charged with treason about over one year ago, and the charges were based on a message sent by the Pakistan ambassador in Washington, which Imran Khan said, which he sort of gave that information to the public at large, that there is interference in Pakistan's matters, and a gentleman, a bureaucrat in State Department by the name of Donald Lu had sent a message that if the no confidence vote against Imran Khan succeeds, then Imran Khan the Pakistan government will be forgiven. And this cipher was declassified. It was presented in the Security Council, one, and then it was also sort of sent to the Chief Justice of Pakistan. And the idea at that time, what Imran wanted was, and they gave a demarche to the American ambassador in Islamabad, that we are very unhappy with the sort of message Donald Lu has sent to Pakistan. So that's fine. But then what they do is they charge Imran Khan and the foreign minister with treason in Pakistan. And that was an extremely shameful case. It should have, first of all, have never happened. The fact that it has dragged that long, I think the judges at the end, the way the prosecution presented the case, the prosecution itself buried the case. They themselves, the way they presented it, one of the prosecution lawyers actually said that what Imran Khan had said was absolutely true. It's just that he should not have shared it with unauthorized people, and those unauthorized people were the public. The public that he he swore an oath to represent. He was a prime minister and he was representing the people of Pakistan, and all he did was he told the people of Pakistan that there's a conspiracy against your vote. So that is what he was charged with. It was such an embarrassing case for Pakistan, and I'm really glad that the judiciary sort of came to a conclusion and they buried the charges and declared the ex-prime minister and the ex-foreign minister innocent. As I said again, it should not have dragged that long, but even if it did, at least, and now it is proven that our judiciary, if we stand with our judiciary who have been threatened, 6 judges have already sent a letter to the Chief Justice of Pakistan that they have been threatened by intelligence agencies. So if our judges are going to be threatened, it is all credit to them that in spite of all the threats and from the agencies, they stood strong and they gave their verdict. So it is credit to the judges and to the people of Pakistan who stood behind their judges, that we stand behind you, you take a decision. We understand you are under threat, but we will stand behind you. And all of us, including the Prime Minister, ex-Prime Minister and the ex-Foreign Minister, they have patiently faced their cases. And one thing Imran Khan always said, I will not do a deal where there's a magic wand, where 200 cases will disappear in a day. With the magic wand, I will not come out. I will face all my cases. I will clear my name for all these charges and then get released from jail. Till then, I have no issues being in jail. Thank you.
Thank you so much.